Hello everyone, welcome back to check on the latest mobile mapping features in TBC 5.20. In this video and the following ones, I will show you some major improvements or enhancements in the TBC mobile mapping workflow. But before we jump into TBC 5.20, have you played with the special TBC 5.11 build for mobile mapping? If not, click the banner on top to review these great features first. From 5.11 to 5.20, TBC team enhanced and added quite a few features to the mobile mapping workflow. Today, let's start with the first one, split run. Why would I want to split a run, you may ask? Imagine that you have kept the MX9 running for a whole day, but your actual regions of interest are only sporadic. Split the runs will allow you to process only what is needed and save the rest for the future. The second scenario is equally common. We always recommend users to stop and restart a run when you make a U-turn, but this can be easily forgotten in the field. Now you're able to break the U-turn by splitting the run and register the overlapping scans for a better result. Let me show you how it's done. I have an MX9 dataset loaded in TBC. When I toggle the trajectory of run 0, you'll see that we didn't stop the run at the U-turn. Instead, we kept running. To split run 0, you can keep the run highlighted, then go to Mobile Mapping tab and choose Split Run. Or you may right-click the run and choose the same command from the context menu. The highlighted run is already selected. Now move the mouse back to the plan view and click where you'd like to cut the run. As you move the position, the timestamp of that point and its distance to the beginning of the run will be updated. Notice that the split point doesn't have to be right on those camera dots. When you make your mind, click OK. Under the mobile mapping node in Project Explorer, you now have two sub-runs starting with run_0. Toggle the trajectory of each to confirm the change. By the way, you can always undo the split by Ctrl+Z or the undo button. If you need to split a run based on a region of interest, a background map can provide some useful context. It requires a Trimble Connect account. Once you sign in, toggle the background map from the status bar at the bottom of TBC. If a map view is not good enough, then right-click the project name in Project Explorer, open its Properties pane, then switch the map type to Digital Globe Imagery. In this project, I am only interested in the north section of the street where office buildings are located. With the help of the satellite image, I will zoom into the desired position and add another split point. We have now 3 sub-runs created from the original run 0. If you haven't tried TBC 5.11 before, we also made some changes in the View Filter Manager to provide better mobile mapping trajectory management. All trajectories reside in a designated group called trajectory. You can toggle them on and off from here as well. By default, all the split runs inherit the same trajectory color. If you want to distinguish them, enter each run node and change their colors from there. And the split runs are treated just like usual runs. From here, you can generate scans, register scans, and update scans on top of them. Choose a mission or a run to activate the command of generate scans. Check only the runs you want to process. And apply a proper noise filter template. Then process. Quite straightforward, right? Two small tips about split run. The command will only work before any scans are generated on that run. If you have scans generated before, the split run command will gray out. And if you have worked with TBC before, the second tip is no stranger to you. When you pick the split point, you will need to stay in the plan view. Otherwise, TBC cannot get a valid point position. That concludes today's video. More to come. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.